Hello guys, I'm Mr.Kooraft, who brings your favorite characters life. So let's get started.
Everybody, there!
As your subscribers already know, there is a slogan for my channel. Yeah, that's right, bring your favorite characters life. I have been preparing a wonderful project for this slogan for a long time. It's a project where I draw the characters that customers like the most at my restaurant and make them into real ones and exhibit them. Some people may say, what's so great about this project? But for this project, I have been making figures one by one and making videos for about 2 years, and stacking bricks one by one in a corner of my restaurant. And finally, one of the display cases was almost full and many people started to show interest. So I felt that it was finally time to start this project. And today, I will make a box where you can enter the character and a small diorama for that space. The theme I chose is Super Mario. You may be wondering why this character among all the characters. This is because among the figures I have made so far, this Mario diorama is the most popular one with the customers. Then please watch over me until the end as the goal I had in my 2 years ago becomes reality. First of all, you need to find a suitable design and print it out, right? In this case, I had to find or modify the design I wanted, especially for functionality. So I bought only Mario and decided to searching for various designs from other people on Thingiverse. Most 3D designs on Thingiverse are designed for the FDM printers. But with a little modification, they can be printed on the resin printer. There are many great designs. In particular, I found the design that I could shout, "This is it." I will leave a link in the description below the video for the designers and you. The video was too long to include, but I modified it a lot for the size and various parts I wanted to use for the print. So please note that it is different from the original design. First, I will apply a primer for painting. The biggest reason for applying a primer is to prepare the surface to be painted, make the paint stick stronger, and adjust the color tone. Therefore, it's better to plan primer color in advance and paint it because of the color tone after painting will change depending on the color of the primer before painting. However, now that the primer painting is done, let's paint. This box is the character application box. Since I applied the black primer before painting, I can mask it right away and paint the bricks. In my case, when masking with the masking tape, I usually do masking work in the 2 ways. First, I measure the exact size, cut the masking tape in advance to mask it. And second, I apply the tape wider than the area I needed to mask and use the knife to cut along the edges directly on the model. The masking work is done, and now it's time to paint it brick color. The original brick color is a bit darker, but I used the pastel tone, the brighter brown for the cute feel. Here I briefly share my personal story. I personally believe that natural things are the most beautiful, so I usually make my own colors and paint them. Therefore, my painting has a big drawback. First, there's no clear color boundary. And second, its intensity isn't captured by the camera. Naturalness and reality are different, right? To express it realistically, it has to be expressed more exaggeratedly than reality, so that it feels closer to reality to our eyes. However, I focus on expressing naturalness with my own colors as much as possible for the purpose of exhibition, not video. In particular, I show the paint I use in the video, but it's only for reference, and I recommend that you make your own colors and paint them. Actually, making colors is a very important and beautiful work. This time, I will make the tip box. I found out that customers sometimes want to give Mr.Kooraft tips. The color of the box isn't just yellow, but I make a pastel tone myself and paint it. After the paint is completely dry, I mask the entire thing for white painting. If you want to know about the tool I'm using now, click on the card on the top right. It's a great tool that I personally recommend. After masking the 16 boards, finish by masking the entire body. Then paint the question mark and board in white and the tip box. Painting is complete. The Mario coin you see now is not actually the original design. I edited someone else's design and added it for the empty looking tip box. I will attach the link in the description, so if you wanna make it like me, adjust the coin to the size of the box, cut about 1/4, and attached it to the box. I painted the coin using the candy painting technique. I will make a separate video about the candy painting technique later. The coin painting is finished beautifully. This small coin alone took a total of 4 coats and 3 days. But the joy is short-lived, and you will see the disaster that follows later. This time, we'll paint the light box that will focus the attention on the application box area. This doesn't require any special painting skills, but there's one important thing. Is to make sure that the light can be seen well from the inside to the outside. To do this, we'll print using clear resin instead of regular resin. And we'll print only the outside, not the inside. Now that we've finished the painting, let's install the LED and test it. Since the LED gets hot quickly and breaks easily, we'll cut on the additional plastic plate to the size on the inside and install the light on it. We'll continue check the plus and minus and solder it. Finally, connect the DC connector that will supply electricity, close the lid, and pull it out. Now let's assemble Super Mario in the right order. And we were done. What do you think? It's a simple but pretty cool result, right? Let's continue painting today's main character, Mario. The good thing about this project is that it's very easy to paint because it's large. But because it's larger, it's also more visible, so we have to do it 10 times better than usual. That's right, drawing eyes is the most difficult part when painting a figure. Speaking of which, let me tell you a funny but sad story. It happened when I got 500 subscribers on my channel with a Mikasa video. In the video, I said that I'll teach you how to draw eyes well. And I said, just practice as much as you can. Actually, there's no other way. And I got 20 dislikes. Yeah. But if I went back again, I'll say the same thing. If you want to get good at anything, you have to focus, fail repeatedly, and keep practicing. Back to the point, I will draw Mario's eyes by using the original Mario eyes picture on the wiki as a reference. I will tell you in advance that it took me 6 hours to draw only the eyes. This is my first time drawing such big eyes, haha. Then everyone, please watch if the eyes I drew for over 6 hours are worth it. Phew. Anyway, I finished drawing Mario's eyes. I was really surprised because of the result was better than I expected. It's not visible on the camera, but I expressed the pupils with a total of 3 steps of gradation. It was my first time painting such a large face, but I learned a lot from the experience. And next, I will paint the Mario's body. I was so busy editing that I almost forgot. It's like a worship time for my channel, right? So, everybody shout together, Mario, drop the beat, let's get it! This is how the painting I dreamed of 2 years ago was finally complete. So a new corner has been created on the Mr.Kooraft channel. Its name is Draw Your Favorite Character. From now on, I will hold a raffle once a month and make a character with the winner's name on it and exhibit it. If my channel grows bigger and I can also hold a character raffle for subscribers, it'll be even better. My channel is getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm receiving more and more interest and opinions. I opened the Discord channel so that I can communicate with you more easily and quickly. I prepared it because I thought it would be better if you could share the work you are doing, things you are curious about, and other various information with each other. The sign-up link is in the description below the video, so please participate a lot. This was Mr. Kooraft. I'll be back next time.